welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my grandmother, Jane, and today my great-grandmother, and today we are going to be doing Who's Most Likely to Challenge with, if you haven't checked out all my other videos, you don't know who Lola and Spikey are. If you have, you know who the birds are, but if you don't, I'm going to tell you. Lola and Spikey are my two birds, so you'll figure out more about them in the game. So how you play is, one of us are going to pick up these, and you have to pick a card, and we're going to face it like this. If we have the same answer and it's correct, we both get a point. There will be 4 rounds. If you get it right, all those rounds you win. Whoever gets the most points wins. I might because they're my birds. But, so let's get started. So I'm going to go first to pick. So I picked one, and it said, who's most likely to fly? So I would say...
Spikey.
This one would be most likely to fly. Let's show our answers. Let me show the camera. So this was Meme's, and this was mine. So we both have the right answer, and yes, the correct answer is Spikey. He's the only one that can fly also. Oh. So Meme's going to pick now. If you don't know, I call her Meme.
Now quiet it down a little bit. Who is the...
Who is the macaw?
Oh, the macaw.
This one for me.
Spike.
So, okay. Meme said Spike and I said Lola. Lola is the correct answer.
Well, you should know that.
I don't. Yeah, I should know that.
She cheats.
No, I don't. They're my birds. So I have 2 points. Meme has 1 point. So let's go on to the next round.
Yeah, let's quiet down a little bit.
Who's most likely to be out of their cage more? Okay, who's most likely to be out of their cage more? I would say Spikey. No, I would say both. Because Spikey's an adventurous, but now that Spikey taught Lola to be out of her cage, now Lola's out of her cage too, and Spikey, so I think
I thought Lola was already out of her cage all the time.
So I have 3 points, Mama has 1,
well,
on to the next round.
Okay. Quiet down a bit.
She's going to pick.
You're very loud. Quiet down. Who has gray feathers? Oh, Spike.
Who has gray feathers? And I'm pick mine, and it is Spikey. Spikey has more feathers. It was 4 rounds, but now we're going to do more. We're going to go up to 10 rounds. So that was 4 rounds. So let's go
Who's
to the
most
next
likely to play more, and sing?
Who's more likely to play more and sing? I have my answer.
Lola.
Spikey. I mean both. Because Spikey likes to sing, Lola likes to sing, and they both like to play. I would say really...
See, you know this.
I would say both of them like to sing, but Lola likes to play. So we both get a point for that. So I have 4, Meme has 2. On to the next round. My turn to pick. So let's... Which bird is the color... Whose favorite color is purple out of the birds? That was
probably Lola. Because she's all colors.
Yeah. Lola's all colors, so she pressed. It's Lola. So I have 5 points. Meme. No, I have 6 points. Meme has 2 points. No,
who's
3
the most
points.
craziest?
Who's the most craziest? Meme's already correct. It is Lola. Lola's the most craziest.
I figured that.
Let's go on to the next round. Whose favorite song is Meant to Be? That's a song. If you don't know, it's a country song.
Lola?
It's Lola's.
Oh,
so I have 7 points. Meme has 3
she
points.
Likes country music?
On to the next round. And Lola does like country music.
Who is your favorite?
Who is your favorite? Oh, that one's hard.
Gotta quiet down a bit.
I would, okay. Both. I can't choose between Lola and Spikey.
So you do both.
I had 8 points, Mama has 3. On to the next round. Okay.
Who lives? Who likes?
Who likes to break boxes apart? Who likes to break boxes apart? I know this one.
Lola.
Lola. So Meme has 4 points. I had 9 points. On to the next round. I'm gonna pick this one. Who's most likely to make a mess? Okay.
Lola.
No, I would say both because Spikey and Lola are messy. I would say both.
Yeah.
But we each get a point for that because both of them. So Meme has 5 points. I have 10 points. On to the next round.
Well, you're on a call.
Who's most likely to be the most
Craziest.
Who's most likely to be the craziest? I would say, where is Lola? I would say Lola. So Meme has 6 points. I have 11 points. On to the next round. Okay, if I can open it. Who's most likely to rip paper?
Lola.
So we both get a point for that one because I both do. So I have 12 points. Meme has 7 points. On to the next round.
You just got your crazy bird. That's all
This
I know.
is the last round, and this is who is the brat. Who's the brat? She said Lola. I said both, but they're both. So I had 12 points. I had 13 points. She had 7 points. So I won this challenge.
Okay, you do that.
Well, she's gonna go. So
I
I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you next time, and share this video with your friends and family. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.